Hello guys, it's Mickey. Welcome to my channel, and if you're just tuning to my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. And I actually want you guys to smash the like buttons so I get to know, wow, my YouTubers are enjoying it, the random viewers are enjoying it. So today I want to talk about facial cream. Yes, it's been like the latest demand. Would I say latest demand or the highest demand from my YouTubers, my clients, from even random viewers? They just keep texting, please, can you make this? Can you make facial cream? We want to know facial cream for us to how to make a facial cream, or can we use our body cream as our facial cream? But before then, I'm actually gonna apologize for my lights, my camera light. It's dim. Yes, because I'm making use of this the ray view of the sun, but again, it's the sunlight is gone down, so that's why it's a little bit dim. I'm really gonna apologize about that. I'm sorry about that. So let's fire on. I was talking about facial cream, and if you can make use of your body cream as your facial cream, honey, no, I won't advise that. Because I made use of P.L. Franco's Bedon lotion, the mixtures of P.L. Franco's Bedon lotion, where I had to use Caro White oil, rescue oil, bao oil, other ingredient into my face, doesn't mean you guys should actually do the same on your face. No. The reason why I made use of that cream on my face is the cream is a skin repair and rejuvenation cream. It helped remove my spots, my white patches, and all that. So it shouldn't be used. Your body cream shouldn't be used on your face. No, please don't do that. It will roughen your face, especially if you're using maybe Skin Glow 9 cream on your face. It will make your face look rough. You shouldn't be using your body cream because of the ingredient in your body cream. There's an amount of what the face can take compared to the body. The body is a little bit hard, so it can actually roughen some bleaching products, but the same thing is not applicable on the face. Please be careful. The texture of the face is totally different from the texture of the body. I keep saying it, and I want to say it to you guys so you guys can understand. Don't go around damaging your face. That's why some people get to have sunburn around their faces, and they're like, the cream gave me sunburn. Harsh chemicals being used on the body shouldn't be used on the face. If you notice, even just a simple cream, your normal body cream can actually whiten your face compared to when you mix other mixtures into the cream. So to make it easier for you guys, so you guys can actually make your own facial cream. If you think, I don't have money to go for a very expensive cream, you want to use your body cream, this is what you do. You get this. Now you get a base cream. You can use P.L. Franco's Bedon lotion. Look at P.L. Franco's Bedon lotion, or QEI, any base cream of your choice. Any base cream. It's not a must, it has to be P.L. Franco's Bedon lotion. I'm making use of P.L. Franco's Bedon lotion because I want to make an example out of it. Now, the example I want to make is, since you're going to be using a base cream, it's either P.L. Franco's Bedon lotion, QEI, any base cream of your choice, Skin Success, anyone you want to use. You can get 100 ml. We know P.L. Franco's Bedon lotion is 500 ml. If your base cream is 500 ml, you can get 100 ml out of the 500 ml. You keep it aside. So you're going to be using your 400 ml to mix the other ingredients you want to use. So the 100 ml, you can get H&D Secret Oil. I don't have H&D Secret Oil with me right now, but I'm going to display it on the screen right now so you guys get to see H&D Secret Oil. For people who do not know what H&D Secret Oil is or how it looks like, it's going to be displayed on the screen right now. So H&D Secret Oil, you can use half of H&D Secret Oil into your 100 ml and mix it. And if you feel H&D Secret Oil is not really good on my skin, I don't like the texture, you can just make use of 2 teaspoons of rescue oil, where I did, and 2 teaspoons of bao oil. Bao oil is really, really good on the face. The same thing with rescue oil. They are really good oils on the face that can be used on the face. I wouldn't advise you use coconut oil in your face. Everybody is coconut oil is a cosmogenic oil. Sorry about that, and it might not be good on an acne-prone skin. But rescue oil would help heal an acne-prone skin. It helps remove scars. The same thing with bao oil. So it's advisable you use rescue oil. If you do not have rescue oil, you can't come across rescue oil, you can come across bao oil. Just get 2 teaspoons of bao oil and just put it into the cream. It's still okay. Then you mix it and you apply it on your face. That will do you good. And if you can actually get a face cream, fine. But you feel your budget is not enough for you to get a face cream, you want to make use of your body cream, I'm gonna advise you, please don't add your ingredient before you use your body cream on your face. Please don't. Before adding your ingredient into your body cream, subtract 100 ml out of the body cream. I'm repeating it again so you guys get to understand. Subtract 100 ml out of the cream. I'm actually going to be displaying all those things on the screen, so you guys, I'll write it on the screen so you guys will see it. Subtract 100 ml out of your base cream. Then you add bow oil, rescue oil with it, if you can come across rescue oil. If you cannot come across rescue oil, bow oil is easy to come across. So you just use 2 teaspoons of your bow oil into it and you apply it on your face. It's going to do good on your face compared to when you use your body cream that has been mixed with enough ingredients. It's going to damage your face. And maybe next time I'll actually show you guys some other interesting facial creams, just to display some of the facial creams that can be bought in any supermarkets. You can apply on your face if you feel, I don't want to risk it and use a body cream on my face. No, I'll actually do that next week. So if you've actually been watching my video all this time from the beginning till the end and you're still not subscribed, you're missing. Please subscribe and just click on my face. It's got my face. The box has got my face. Or you just probably just go down below and click on the red button. Just pretty easy. And again, if you guys actually want a glowing skin, whitening skin, click on the video that will be displayed right now. All right, so you guys get to have a glowing skin, a lovely skin, and also melanin skin. We do talk about melanin skin. It's not all about bleaching. So we are not all bleachers here. Maybe I'm the only bleacher here. Catch you guys on Thursday. Bye, guys.